Best websites to download free editable resume templates. The first website which I will show you is Canva. Personally, I like this website the most. This website is user-friendly and easy to use. The URL of this website is www.canva.com. Let's open this website. Open your internet browser. Type Canva. Open the first link. This is the website. On the search bar, type resume. You can see different type of resume like academic resume, acting resume, college resume and much more. Select any one which you like. You can see different types of resume, the templates on which it is written free, only select those. Click on select. Use this template. I will make changes in this resume. Change the size to 75% so that we can easily edit the resume. Write your name. Then your specialization. You can upload your photo also. Click on Uploads. Select Upload Media. Choose your photo. You can resize the photo by double-clicking on it. After editing, you can download it. Click on Download button. You can select any file type, PNG, JPG or PDF. I will download it as PDF file. You can see it has been downloaded. To make future changes, you can always go back to the website. Go to all your designs. This is my CV. Click on it. Now you can make further changes and download it. The second website which I will show you is School Free CV. In this website, you don't need to register or sign up. From this website, you can download multiple CV templates in MS Word format. Then you can easily edit it. The URL of this website is www.coolfreecv.com. Let's open this website. Open your internet browser. Type Cool Free CV. Open the first link. This is the website. Here you don't need to register or sign up to download. You can see a number of CV. Editable blue background CV, CV with photograph, modern resume, editable classic resume, modern resume, CV 2 column. To download any CV, you have to click on download. It will be downloaded. Open the CV. This is the CV. You can edit it as you like. Write your name. Add your photo. Follow these steps to edit photo. Contact information, language, summary, skill highlights, your experience, your education and certification. After you are done with editing your CV, you can save it as PDF format. I am done with making my CV in PDF format. The third website which I will show you is Freesumes. In this website also you don't need to register or sign up. From this website you can download modern CV templates in MS Word format. Then you can edit it. The URL of this website is www.freesumes.com. Let's open this website. Open your internet browser. Type Freesumes. Open the second link. This is the website. Here you don't need to register or sign up to download. Click on Browse Templates. You can see a number of modern resume templates. Select any one of the CV. I like this CV. Scroll down. Click on Download. It has been downloaded in zip format. This is the resume document. Extract it to desktop. Click on Enable Editing. Now you can edit this CV as you like. After doing editing, save it in PDF format. The fourth website which I will show you is Templatenet. In this website, there are different types of ready-made CV like basic resume, accountant resume, admin resume, and many more CV related to different specialization is available in this website. The URL of this website is www.template.net. Let's open this website. Open your internet browser. Type template.net CV. Open the second link. This is the website. Here you can see CV for different profession like accountant resume, admin resume, administrator resume, and much more. There are 11 plus basic resume templates on this website. You can choose any of the template which you like. I will choose this. You can download it in any format. I will choose Microsoft Word. They are asking to sign up. I will click on Sign in with Google. You can see two options, subscribe to download and free download. I will click on free download. Click on OK. It has been downloaded as a zip file. Open it. Click on Word. This is the resume. I will extract it on desktop. This is the resume. Now you can edit it and make changes as you like. The fifth website which I will show you is Resume. In this website, there are different types of ready-made CV like professional resume, modern resume, and basic resume. The URL of this website is www.resume.com. Let's open this website. Open your internet browser, type Resume CV. Open the first link. This is the website. In this website, there is no need to register or sign up to download the resume. You can see a number of resume. There are free resume. Let's download a free resume. I will select this. Scroll down, click on download. It will be downloaded as zip file. Click on OK. Open it. This is the resume. Now you can edit it and make changes as you like. Tell us which website you have used and you like the most. If you know about any other good website, tell us by commenting below.